Introducing New Repair Treatment Mask, your key to unlocking the secret of ultimate hair repair. Transform your locks and help repair damage with this weekly intensive treatment. Infused with nourishment, this mask replenishes and restores for softer, shinier, and more vibrant hair. New Repair Treatment Mask also provides a protective barrier from environmental and heat styling damage, giving your hair the defense it needs. Enriched with hydrolyzed pea and vegetable proteins, Carob Seed Extract, plant collagen, and nutrient-rich sea kelp, New Repair Mask is a powerhouse of repair. For best results after shampooing, apply from scalp to ends, leave on for 2 minutes, and rinse. For an extra boost of slip and shine, add a few drops of New Moisture Argan Treatment Oil before application. At Neuma, we don't believe in hiding behind synthetic fragrances. Instead, we use pure essential oils and extracts to allow our aromas to bloom. For New Repair Treatment Mask, lemon, lavender, and fir needle deliver an ultra-refreshing self-care routine that uplifts the senses. Expect performance without ever sacrificing your hair, your health, or the planet. What does your shampoo do for the planet?